Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how to delete your Odnoklassniki account. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post something new. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and then on the search bar type Odnoklassniki, then select the first link that appears. After that, make sure that you are logged into your Odnoklassniki account to be able to delete it. After that, you simply go to the three-barred icon that appears on the top left corner, tap on it, scroll down until you see computer version, tap on go, then a computer version of your page will appear. After that, you simply go to the top right corner. You can see the profile icon over here. You tap on it. Over here you can see the help section. You tap on it, which will redirect you to this page. Now here what you're going to do is tap on my profile option. After that, you'll be able to see all these options. Tap on general settings, or you can simply search for how do I delete my account. Tap on search. After that, you'll be led to this page. Once you tap on how do I delete my profile, that appears. Now you'll see that link is highlighted over here, so you simply tap on it to access this link where you'll be able to delete your account. And these are all the terms and conditions that you need to read in order to be able to delete your account. At the very bottom you can see the button of delete profile. If you tap on it, you'll be given this pop-up where you'll have to choose why you want to delete your Odnoklassniki account. To confirm, you retype the password of your profile and then confirm that you want to delete. Now remember that once your profile has been deleted, it can only be restored within the 183 days from the moment of deletion. And once it is deleted, all your photos, comments, marks, conversations will also be deleted along with it. If you want this to occur, then you confirm that you want to delete it by tapping on the delete button. After you've tapped on delete, your account will be deleted. However, if you want to recover it, then you can log in with the same credentials that you used to log in with within the 183 days from the moment of deletion. Then you'll be able to access your Odnoklassniki account again. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions still, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.